Welcome to the Public Legal Education and Information video series. Each video is designed to help you navigate important legal issues that impact your life. In Canada, your human rights are protected under the law. This includes the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which is part of our Canadian Constitution. It also includes the human rights legislation of each province and territory. And in Nova Scotia, we have the Nova Scotia Human Rights Act. The Nova Scotia Human Rights Act applies to most workplaces in the province, as well as many service providers, tenancy situations, and other areas listed in the Act. All provinces have their own human rights legislation. There is also the Canadian Human Rights Act, which provides protections in spaces that fall under the federal umbrella, like federal workplaces, banks, and telecommunications organizations. These laws recognize that each human being deserves equal treatment in the spaces that we share. They affirm the important truth that no one should be treated unfairly based on their race, sexual orientation, gender identity, and other core parts of who we are as human beings. The Legal Information Society of Nova Scotia is here to help Nova Scotians understand the law and how it applies to us. We all deserve to understand how are human rights protected in Canada, our human rights, and the steps we can take if we experience discrimination. Human rights legislation protects against discrimination on the basis of characteristics such as race, sexual orientation, gender, age, religion, marital status, and many others. Human rights legislation also prohibits sexual harassment. Let's look at some examples of potential human rights issues. Jenny is African Nova Scotian. She has been followed around in a particular store every time that she shops there, and she thinks that she is being targeted because of her race. Amber has recently come out as trans at work. Her supervisor has made dismissive comments about her updated name and pronouns and has regularly misgendered her in front of clients. Sam is uncomfortable because a coworker has been making sexual comments about her body. Sam told her supervisor, who's refused to do anything about this behavior. If you feel that your human rights have been violated, you can contact a human rights organization for guidance. In Nova Scotia, this organization is the Nova Scotia Human Rights Commission. You can also read through the frequently asked questions on the Nova Scotia Human Rights Commission's website. To learn more about human rights, we encourage you to read through the human rights information on our website. We all deserve to have workplaces where we can feel safe, included, and valued in all aspects of our diversity. We also encourage you to read through our Rainbow Rights Guide, which provides human rights legal information about 2 SLGBTQIA+ rights in Canada. The Legal Information Society of Nova Scotia, providing legal information at your fingertips.